For generations, the degree was the destination. The path was set. But today, the degree is just the starting line. We are drowning in choices, but starving for direction. Because the internet gives everyone the same answers. But people aren't wired the same. Here's to the ones who refuse to fit. The coder who craves connection. The economist who thinks like an artist. The lawyer who dreams of creation. Society tells you to pick a lane. We help you to build a map. Deviating feels like a risk until you have the science to back it up. You don't win by running their race. You win by inventing your own.